Aviation is changing fast. Planes are becoming more efficient, eco-friendly, and packed with new features that seemed impossible a few years ago. The future of flying is all about getting to our destinations quicker, cleaner, and smarter. In today's video, we'll look at some amazing plane designs that could change the way we travel. Zero certainly is a plane from the future. Apart from its fascinating design, this aircraft is envisioned as a zero-emission electric plane, which is why it's been given its name. While it's still in the concept phase, the idea of an all-electric, environmentally friendly plane is becoming more of a reality with each passing year. In the near future, this type of aircraft could become the norm for air travel, offering a cleaner, greener way to fly. With advancements in technology and a growing emphasis on sustainability, we may soon find ourselves boarding planes that produce no emissions, helping to protect the planet while we travel. At present, the concept envisages the use of batteries and electric generators to power everything on the plane, including its 3 rear-mounted propellers. The Flying V airplane, a cutting-edge airplane concept making waves in aviation design, is the Flying V. Created with contributions from KLM, this futuristic design stands out for its bold innovation, seating passengers within its wings. While it's unclear if its inspiration came from futuristic ideas like those seen in certain video games, the Flying V is undeniably unique. Similar to Airbus's Maverick prototype, this design aims to drastically lower fuel consumption on long-haul flights. It achieves this by reducing the plane's overall weight and enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency, making it a promising step forward in sustainable air travel. The EAD's Voltaire Futuristic Plane. The EAD's Voltaire plane is a visionary concept for the future of aviation. This sleek and eco-friendly design envisions an all-electric passenger aircraft that could transform the way we travel. The Voltaire is a cutting-edge, all-electric aircraft that could revolutionize air travel by 2035. Powered entirely by batteries, this aircraft is designed to be incredibly lightweight, maximizing efficiency and minimizing environmental impact. With a focus on sustainability, the Voltaire is perfect for short-haul flights, accommodating between 50 and 70 passengers. Its design not only helps reduce carbon emissions, but also provides a quieter and smoother flight experience. By offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional aircraft, the Voltaire promises to reshape the future of regional air travel, providing a greener and more efficient way to get from one place to another. Victor Uribe's a 350H airliner. Victor Uribe's a 350H airliner looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. With its smooth, organic design resembling a dolphin, this futuristic concept blends nature-inspired aesthetics with advanced engineering. One of its standout features is its ability to take off and land vertically, eliminating the need for long runways. Additionally, it's designed with sustainability in mind, running on cryogenic hydrogen stored in high-pressure tanks, making it an environmentally friendly vision for the future of aviation. Aquatic jet planes. Thomas Broderskift has envisioned a remarkable concept for the future of aviation. The Seastoll VLJ, short takeoff and landing very light jet. This innovative design merges the versatility of a seaplane with the performance of a light jet, offering a unique travel experience. The Seastoll VLJ is designed to cruise at altitudes and cover distances typical of light jets while retaining the seaplane's signature ability to land on water. Its compact cabin accommodates 5 to 8 passengers and is supported by 2 skiffs, which double as landing gear for ground operations. When landing on water, the wheels retract neatly into the skiffs, ensuring smooth transitions between land and sea. This concept redefines what seaplanes could achieve in the future. The Truss-Braced Boeing. The Boeing Transonic Truss-Braced wing represents a bold leap forward in aircraft design. While much of its overall structure aligns with conventional expectations, its standout feature is the innovative truss-braced wing design. This unique configuration is engineered to enhance aerodynamic efficiency, enabling the aircraft to fly higher and faster than traditional designs. It achieves speeds of up to Mach 0.80, comparable to many modern jetliners. The wings, which stretch an impressive 170 feet from tip to tip, are ultra-thin and supported by a truss, allowing for their extended length. To accommodate various operational needs, these wings are designed to fold when required, showcasing both practicality and cutting-edge engineering. Airbus Maverick. The Airbus Maverick, model aircraft for validation and experimentation of robust, innovative controls. is a striking example of futuristic aviation that might become reality in the near future. This innovative aircraft features a blended wing design, essentially functioning as a single, unified wing without a traditional fuselage, giving it a distinctly futuristic appearance. Unveiled at the Singapore Air Show 2020, the Maverick represents Airbus' forward-thinking approach to commercial aviation. Its unique shape is designed to significantly reduce fuel consumption by up to 20% according to Airbus. Adding to its unconventional design, the engines are mounted on the rear stabilizers at the top of the aircraft rather than beneath the wings. This positioning contributes to the efficiency and distinctiveness of the Maverick, making it a promising concept for sustainable air travel. The Synergy aircraft is incredibly fuel efficient. Created by John McGuinness, the Synergy aircraft is a groundbreaking innovation in fuel-efficient aviation. This sleek and futuristic 5-seater plane is designed to use only 10% of the fuel required by a traditional jet of similar size, achieving an impressive efficiency of 40 miles per gallon at cruising speeds. Its advanced aerodynamic design not only enhances performance, but also gives the aircraft a striking appearance, making it both practical and visually appealing. Despite its small size, the Synergy aircraft represents a significant leap forward in sustainable aviation technology. The dual-winged jumbo jet design. Phil Pauly's concept for a jumbo jet truly seems like a glimpse into the future. This innovative design features dual wings and a massive quad-deck layout, allowing it to accommodate an unprecedented number of passengers. Dubbed the Monster Jumbo, this futuristic aircraft stands out with its bold, forward-thinking design that prioritizes both capacity and fuel efficiency. As commercial jets continue to evolve, the Monster Jumbo showcases an exciting vision of what the future of air travel might look like. The Spruce Whale. The Spruce Whale WB1010, designed by Randy Alendra, could very well epitomize the concept of futuristic aviation. This imaginative aircraft envisions a future where advanced, yet-to-be-invented materials and technologies make such designs possible, potentially becoming a reality by the end of the century. One innovative feature of the design is the use of helium within the fuselage to reduce the aircraft's overall weight. Additionally, the plane incorporates a rear-mounted energy converter module, allowing it to harvest wind energy during flight. The Spruce Whale offers a bold and creative glimpse into what air travel might look like in the far future. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing futuristic plane designs that could soon take to the skies. These designs aren't just dreams, they represent the future of aviation. Whether it's reducing fuel consumption, harnessing clean energy, or rethinking how we fly, each one has the potential to change the way we travel. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the journey through the future of flying. And if you want more exciting insights into cutting-edge technology, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated.